In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage contacts in Hubspot. Whether you're a seasoned user or just getting started with Hubspot, this process will help streamline your contact management and make your CRM even more efficient. So let's dive into it. First, you'll want to navigate to the Hubspot website. Open your browser and type in the URL. Once you're there, you should see the familiar interface. Look to the top right corner of your screen and click on the Login button. This will direct you to the login page where you'll be able to access your account. Next, you'll see an option to sign in with Google. This is a great way to keep things simple and secure, especially if you use Google services often. Click on Sign in with Google and select the account you'd like to use. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to enter your credentials. Now that you're in HubSpot, take a look at the left panel of the interface. Here you'll find various tools for managing your contacts and other elements of your CRM. Click on CRM, which should present you with a list of further options for managing your data. Once you've accessed the CRM section, the next step is to click on Lists. Lists are an integral part of organizing your contacts within HubSpot. They allow you to categorize and manage people efficiently. In the top right corner of this section, you'll find the Create List button. Clicking this will initiate the list creation process. You'll then be prompted to select contacts. This is where you'll actually create the list of contacts you'd like to manage. After selecting contacts, move on by clicking Next. This will take you further into the creation process. Here you'll want to add a filter. Filters help narrow down your contact list based on specific criteria. For example, you might choose to filter contacts by their location, industry, or interaction history. Choose the filter that best suits your needs, and you'll realize how powerful this tool can be. Next, it's important to rename your list. Look to the top section of your screen and you'll find an option to rename it. Giving your list a clear descriptive name will help you easily identify it later. With your list named and filters set, click on Review and Save. This option allows you to look over your list one last time and confirm that everything is set correctly. Once you're satisfied, go ahead and click on Save and Process List. This will finalize the creation of your list and make it ready for management. Remember, managing your contacts effectively can greatly enhance your CRM's functionality. With your list created, you're now equipped to handle your contacts in a more organized and efficient way. Thank you for watching today's tutorial, and I hope this has been helpful in getting you started with creating and managing contacts in HubSpot.